If I were 18 with only $100, I wouldn't panic. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need $100 and the right plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open your first investment account, what to buy with your first $100, your roadmap for the next 5 years, and what returns you can realistically expect. This is the video I wish I had when I was 18. Your first step is simple. Open a brokerage account. This account gives you access to long-term assets like stocks, ETFs, bonds, and especially the S&P 500. If you're in the United States, great beginner platforms include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and Webull. The goal is not to gamble. The goal is to build a solid financial foundation that grows with you. If I only had $100, I would put it into the most proven asset of the last century, the S&P 500 ETF. The S&P 500 represents the 500 largest companies in America. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, you simply own the entire U.S. economy. 3 popular ETFs are VOO, SPY, and IVV. And even with a small amount of money, you can buy fractional shares. $5, $10, whatever you have. On average, the S&P 500 grows around 10 to 11% per year. It's safer than picking individual stocks. It doesn't require advanced knowledge. And it's the perfect investment for someone starting at 18. $100 alone won't make you rich. But consistency will. From age 18 to 20, your focus should be learning how to invest the right way. No trends, no hype, no FOMO. Just a simple, disciplined plan. Every month, invest $50. If money is tight, start with $20. Buy only the S&P 500 ETF. Don't switch strategies. Don't skip months. You don't need a lot of money. You need discipline. From age 21 to 23, your income will likely improve. This is when you slowly increase your monthly investment. Go from $50 a month to $100, or even $150 if your budget allows. And remember, don't let your lifestyle grow faster than your income. Increase your investments first, before upgrading anything else in your life. Now let's look at what your money can grow into. Start with $100. Invest $50 every month. Earn around 10% per year. After 5 years, you'll have roughly $3,800 to $4,200. Most of this is your own contribution, but compound interest has officially started working for you. After 10 years, when you're 28, your account can grow to around $10,000 to $12,000. After 20 years, when you're 38, you could have $50,000 to $60,000. And that's without increasing your monthly investments. But if you slowly raise your contributions over time, your total can reach $200,000 to $300,000 by the time you're 40. Small habits create big results. When you're 18, the biggest mistake you can make is believing you have time and that you can start later. The truth is simple. Every year you delay costs you thousands of dollars in the future. If you want the Excel file that calculates your long-term growth, I'll give it to you for free. Just like this video and comment, I want the Excel file. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the most important financial lessons for ages 18 to 25.